Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making lemon blueberry pound cake. Even the name is good. You will definitely like it. So, let's start. Here I have some milk and lemon juice. Add 2 tablespoons to the milk. It will curdle, but that's normal. Let this sit for at least 10 minutes. In a bowl add the flour, salt and baking soda. Mix this together and set aside. In another bowl add the butter and sugar. Mix this in a stand mixer or with a hand mixer until it becomes fluffy and airy. Add 1 egg at a time and mix in between so the egg is incorporated before you add the other one. Now add half of the dry ingredients we just made and mix. You can see the milk is curdled up. Add half of the wet ingredients and mix as well. Add the dry and lastly the wet again. When you see no lumps and everything is nice and creamy, you're done. Take the blueberries and add a tablespoon of flour to it. I used frozen ones. Don't thaw them if you do, because otherwise they will release too much moisture. Scrape down the bowl so everything is incorporated and add the blueberries. Fold them into the mixture. Now add everything to your baking tin and bake in 175 Celsius oven for around 50 to 60 minutes. Once the cake is out of the oven, let it cool for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack. Let's make the glaze. In a bowl add powdered sugar and lemon juice. Keep adding more lemon juice until you have the right consistency. Once you do, drizzle everything over the cake and let it harden. And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video and let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. And I'll see you in the next one.